Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have a few unboxings here. They are from a company out of the UK and it's called Net-A-PorTAY. Every so often they will come out with beauty kits, and this season there are 3 of them, and here they are right here, 3 big boxes. One is the Summer Essentials Beauty Kit. Next, you have the at-home Facialist Kit, and the last is the City Essentials Beauty Kit. In the past, I did buy some of their beauty kits, and this time I wanted to do an unboxings to show you what they have. It will come out with their beauty advent calendar, and I've been looking at it, but I don't know yet if I'm going to get it because it is pricey. If I remember correctly, I think it would be $250. So yeah, it is a little bit on the pricey side, or I should say it's a lot on the pricey side. So I'm just going to keep looking at it and see if I need those products or not. Especially since I know some of the advent calendars that I'm going to get. Maybe there might be some repeats in there, but let's concentrate on these beauty kits. Here is how they come in a beautiful sturdy box with a ribbon, and it does say Net-A-PorTAY on the box over here on the side. And I did not pay extra for these boxes. These will come in handy for Christmas, for gifts, because I do recycle these, reuse these. Alright, now it doesn't say which one this one is, so let's go ahead and open it and figure out which kit this one is. I want to carefully remove the ribbon so I can reuse it. And let's see, nothing on the inside of the lid. And it comes nicely wrapped. It also comes in a nice little bag. I know the lighting of the camera is going to change, but Net-A-PorTAY on both sides with a drawstring strap. Alright, got the box down, and let me show you the products in here. There you go. And I'm going to take out the card so we can see which kit this one. Okay, this one is the Facialist Beauty Kit. This one costs $80, and it does say you're getting products in here worth over $200. So it says, spending time at home is the perfect opportunity to start a fresh skincare routine. Curated by our experts and with the value worth over $200, this kit includes 6 nourishing products to help create a relaxing spa experience from the comfort of your own space. So it comes with the little accordion card, and let's go ahead and start pulling the products out. The first one. Okay, since this is a company that's out of the UK, we will be getting some UK brands, which I like to try. Alright, this one is from Anne Simonin. It's the Daily Must. It has a cream mask, exfoliating mask, mineral mask, and a gel mask. Okay. I'm looking at the website and it does say that this costs $21.67. I think the full size has 12 treatments and the full size costs $65. So here we're getting 4 of them. Alright, it comes in these little packets here. I guess these are single-use masks. Okay, you know I love masking. This is great to try. Alright, next product, pulling out something big. It's by a brand I haven't heard of again, Shawnee Darden. This is a daily toning essence. On the card it does say it's more than just a toner. This potent blend of purifying sake water, antioxidants, and hydrators leave the skin clean, plumped, and perfectly balanced. Alright, see how many ounces you get. 4 fluid ounce, and on their website this costs $52. Wow, that's a pricey toner. Alright, I'm feeling something a little marbly here, and it looks like maybe a skin roller. Kind of looks like a mushroom there, but it feels like it's made out of quartz. Let me see what it says here. It's a rosebud eye treatment by Angela Gaglia. Famous for her rose quartz face rollers, the treatment set features the same crystal and a smoothing eye massager. Used daily to release stress and depuff the eyes. Okay, so is there more than one in here? No, I think there's only one. Okay, it normally comes in a set of 2, which costs $65, so a single one costs $32.50. Okay, don't know why they put 1 in here, but I'll take it. Alright, next we have something from a brand that I have heard of before, but I haven't tried any of her products. It's by Sarah Chapman, the Overnight Facial. Oh wow, I'm excited about trying one of her products because I've seen it on YouTube and just haven't quite bit the bullet yet. But now it's in this little bag. I'm going to look here. It says, adored for its cashmere-like texture. Ooh. This rejuvenates, brightens tired, dull, and stressed skin. Plumping and smoothing lines with a high-performance blend of vitamin A, antioxidants, and the signature remouvage technology. Okay, don't know what that is, but I like the cashmere-like texture. Comes in a nice little bottle. Let's see how many ounce of product you get. You have 15 mils, which is half an ounce. And this is the full-size product, and this one costs $89. So this one alone is the price of the bag. Everything else will be free. Wow, I can't wait to try this one. All right, next we have a sheet mask, facial and a mask for brightening and firming. Oh, it's enhanced with 24 karat gold. Metaform seed oil and hyaluronic acid that hydrates, while the lactic acid and vitamin C prevent the signs of aging. On the website it says it's $55, but I don't believe it's just for one mask. Let me see, does it tell me how many is in here? Yeah, I think the one mask by itself costs $18.33. So wow, that's more pricey than Dr. Jart. All right, we have, I think, 2 more products in here, and this one is a Cloud Bar. It's a soap, bar soap by Joanna Vargas. It's to hydrate and calm. Has nourishing coconut and soothing chamomile for sensitive skin. Okay, and this one costs $22. And the last product we have here in this little bag, a little sample size here from Angela Caglia. It's a souffle moisturizer. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay, this is probably just a free gift. Yeah, this is probably just a free gift. Well, that's nice. Let me add these up and see how much this bag costs. Yeah, it is over $200, $235.50 to be exact. Wow. All right, I'm excited about this one. And I like the bag too. Okay, let me put these down and open up the next one. Let's see what this one will be. Yeah, it comes in a bigger drawstring bag. All right, let's see what kit this one is. This one is the City Essentials Beauty Kit. And this is the one that I was really excited about. This one costs $90, so it's $10 more than the Facialist one. But it says it includes special curated assortment of 8 makeup and beauty products together worth, okay, this one's in British pounds, over 332 British pounds. I'm going to try to convert it here. To help protect against sun damage, hydrate, and nourish. All right, let's pull out the first product here, something from Oribe. It's the Matte Waves Texture Lotion, and I love Oribe products, and I haven't tried this product before. Get 3.4 fluid ounce, so this is the full size product, and this one costs $42. All right, starting off a good start here with this bag. All right, next we have something from Dr. Barbara Sturm. Sun Drops with SPF of 50. Okay, let me look and see what this one is, because I haven't heard of this before. It's made in Germany, and it's described by the brand as your liquid sun umbrella. The innovative serum is formulated with an SPF of 50 for use on the face, containing an active complex of cassia extract. It protects the skin and promotes the regeneration of damaged cell structures. You can mix this formula with your regular face cream or use as a light texture drops, undiluted as desired. And this one here, you get 1 fluid ounce, and this is the full size, and this one alone costs $145. Wow. So it's not just sunscreen, it's a serum with sunscreen. All right, let's see what we got here. Something from Wander Beauty. I've heard of this too, but never tried any of their products. And this is the Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow. And I don't know the shade name. Let's look at it. All right, it's Champagne. Champagne something. I can't see the, the second word. But it's a champagne color. And this one is a full size and it's $22. Pull this one out. Another brand I haven't heard of before. U Beauty Resurfacing Compound. Okay, gotta read about this one. You can expect visibly smoother, more hydrated skin within 1 week, okay, of using U Beauty's patent-pending resurfacing compound. It's formulated with antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and retinol. It minimizes pores, brightens dark spots, and fades fine lines and wrinkles. Things that I have on my face. And this is half an ounce, and it's full size, and this one costs $88. Oh, we got a lot more in here. We have a shampoo that I love. I use this shampoo. It's by Philip B. This is a small size, 2 fluid ounce, and it's the Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. Okay, I have to admit, in the picture, it does look to be a bigger size than what they are giving us. So, not happy with that one. But I do love this shampoo, and I do have it in a travel size now. Don't know how much this one costs, but I do know the full size of it, which is, I believe, 4 ounces. I believe it's $32. It washes away away impurities from your scalp and lengthens without stripping essential oils. Has a tingling, cooling effect that stimulates circulation and feels refreshing, and it does. I really do like this shampoo. Kind of upset it's not the full size though, but let's see what we got next. We have something from Decree, a light cleanse. So it's a cleanser by Dr. A.J. Sternham, I think. Oh no, the brand name is Decree. So it's just a light cleanse. And this one, let's see what size this one is. You get 30 mils of product, 1 full ounce. And the full size is 3 fluid ounce, and that one costs $52. So I'm going to try to figure out how much this one costs. All right, now in the picture it does show that it's a full size product, just like the shampoo, but we are getting it's a good size though. It's a 1 ounce product. I don't know how much this one costs. 2 more products in here. We have something from Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury. And it's a matte liquid lipstick. Okay, what shade is this one in? Screen Siren. I believe that's the name. So we got a Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipstick. This one's full size and it's $27. And let's see, last product in here. Something small, it looks like sunscreen. Hampton Sun, which I've used before and it's not bad. It's a mineral sunscreen with an SPF of 45. And let's see how much this one costs. $22. All right, let me try to figure how much this cost. Okay, I'm not counting the shampoo or the Decree because these weren't full-size products. So I'm just gonna price the full size, and that alone is $346. So just the 6 products out of the 8 cost $346, and this bag was $90. So not bad. Kind of lessens the sting that these weren't the full-size products here because you're getting a good price with this kit. So the last kit will be the Summer Essentials kit. It comes in the same size bag as the last one. Kind of like these bags. They're very, very thick. Oh, let me show you what's inside this one. Probably should have showed you the other one. So let's see the card in here. And yes, the Summer Essentials Beauty Kit. Curated with beachgoers and at-home sunbathers in mind, it includes 7 hand-picked products together worth, again in the British pounds, 340 British pounds to nourish the complexion, body, and tresses before and after you head outside. And this one does cost $90 for this kit. And let's pull out the first one here. Oh, love this brand, 111 Skin. And it's the Mezzo Infusion Day Defiance Hydration Mask. Ooh, I love 111 Skin and I love masks. All right, you get 2.54 fluid ounce, and I believe this is the full size. Yes, and this one alone costs $200. Oh my gosh. 111 Skin is a pricey brand, and I love some of his products. It's designed to restore dry, dehydrated, and pollutant-exposed skin. This treatment is enriched with acmilla extracts to illuminate and pullulan to promote a youthful and plumper appearance. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. It melts in without leaving greasy residue. Okay, it says use 1 to 2 times a week. Apply a light, even layer and allow it to sink in. You may apply makeup afterwards. Okay, so this is a leave-in mask. But wow, $200 for this? All right, this bag is looking good. All right, let's see what we got in the next one. All right, looks to be another sunscreen. It's by Soleil Toujours. And it's a mineral sunscreen with an SPF of 30. It says it has a powerful combination of red algae, vitamin C ester, vitamin E, and bezobolol. I don't know these ingredients here that prevents wrinkles and loss of elasticity. And you get 1.2 fluid ounce, and this one is the full size. This costs $39. Next, we have something from a brand I haven't heard of before, VENN. VENN. It's the age reversing all-in-one concentrate for all skin types. Okay, let's see what this one is. It is a lightweight cream that hydrates and brightens. The best part is that it's designed to streamline your skincare routine and can be used to replace your toner, essence, serum, moisturizer, and face oil. Okay, so it is an all-in-one concentrate then. Now this one is 20 mils and the full size is 50 mils. So the full size by itself, this is not the full size. The full size by itself is $185. Wow. So on a different website, I found this is $74. Okay. Next one here, we have another brand I haven't heard of before. Costa Brazil. It's Kaya Jungle Firming Oil. This blend of natural oils has a luxurious and velvety texture, yet sinks in fast to leave your skin supple, glowing, and lightly scented. All right, let's see how this smells. Yeah, and you smell a light scent. Not bad. It's kind of nice. All right. Let's see here. You get 1 fluid ounce of product in here, and I found it to be about $28 for this product. All right, let's see. We have something from, okay, I've seen this brand everywhere, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Rahua? That brand right there. And what do we have here? We have the Enchanted Island Salt Spray, and I love a good salt spray for the hair. You get 1 ounce of product in here, and I see on a website this one costs $7.62 roughly, because the full size is 4.2 ounce and that one costs $32. So it's designed to create a beachy mermaid-like wave. It has pink sea salt, hibiscus extract, and moisturizing guayaba sugars. This is exciting, and let's see what we have here. Another brand I haven't heard of before, Code 8 Express Hydrating Lip Color, off Broadway. All right, comes in a big stick like that. Oh, and there is the lip color. This one's full size and it costs $35. Wow, it's a little bit pricey there. Let's see here, the last product. What's in here? By Moraviska. All right, I like their brand. I'm glad it's not the Hungarian mist that shows up in a lot of boxes. And this is a peachy micellar cleanser. It's a cleanser. What is that? Feels like pads, maybe, like those exfoliating pads. Okay, let me look and see what this is. On the card, it shows it in a jar with a stack of the pads. So that's what the cleanser looks like. Does it say how many we get here? Oh, this is a refill pack. Okay, I like that. All right, it has 60 of them in here. Wow, okay. And this is the full size and it costs $45. All right, let me add this bag up and see how much this one costs. I can tell you it's already worth, I don't know, 2.5 times more, especially with the 111 skin. This one costs $200 alone, and this bag was $90. All right, let's see. Okay, this kit costs $453 US. So yeah, I think with these kits, you are getting your money's worth. And then some. Well, all right, these are the 3 kits from Net-A-PorTAY, and let me know what you think of these. Do you think you'll be picking some up, or these a little bit on the pricey side? But I don't know, you're getting some great products in here that cost more than the bag itself, or the kit itself. I mean, just the box alone is nice, and even this little bag. But anywho, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.